Today we'll show you how to replace the camera flex, so let's get started. First, you need to heat it properly with a hot air gun to remove the camera flex. Now, use a tweezer and gently clean the points with the hot air gun. Then clean them properly using a cleaner. Now, apply some paste on the soldering points, then take the soldering iron, add a little solder, and properly solder all the points. Then use a cotton bud with some cleaner to clean it properly. Now apply some paste on the soldering points of the camera flex. Then use a soldering wick and soldering iron to properly solder all the points. Now apply some paste again on the soldered points. Now apply some paste and solder on top of the camera flex. And align the camera flex in its proper position. Now use the soldering iron to heat around the edges and secure it in place. Then the replacement is complete.